Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. I'm here in Fort Worth, Texas. But next weekend, I'm going to be in Jay, Oklahoma for the Overland of America. Y'all stick around.
Lone Star Rider on his motorcycle, raising money, making friends, seeing the country end to end. Lone Star Rider.
Yes, guys, I'll be in Jay, Oklahoma next weekend. That'll be on the 12th through the 14th, 2025, depending on when you're watching this video. And yes, Jay, Oklahoma. It'll be at the America's Outdoor Adventure Park. The event is called Overland of America. The Overland of America will showcase leading vendors in overlanding gear, products, and vehicles. It'll be pretty cool. And there will also be product demos and courses. Attendees can experience hands-on product demos and educational courses in overlanding topics taught by experts in the field. There'll also be private trails that you could do hiking and opportunities for off-roading adventures. There'll be top storytellers there talking about different trips that they've had, and also there'll be premiere videos, which is pretty darn cool. They've got a pool, they got food trucks that are going to be there, all kinds of stuff. It's going to be lots and lots of fun. You can also stay there. They have hookups at 250 different sites there. I don't know how many is left, but you can. And then you can also book a cabin, which there was only a few left that I seen on the website today. There will also be premium and dry camping there. I'm going to have a link down below where you can find all this stuff. And one of my favorites is the Creator Corral. There's going to be a lot of YouTubers and Instagrammers there, and they call us content creators. Simplified Gummy, Connor Lee, Dirt Road Discoveries 1, Gator Overland, Charlie Grace Adventures, which is one of my favorites, Whiskey Dog Outdoors, Overland Trails Adventure, All Things Overland, Best Life's Adventure, Big Rock Overland, Cassidy's Adventure, Dunning Garage, Family Man Camping Adventures, Jay Overlanding, Outskirt Overlanding, SOS Actual Videos, The Canyon Brotherhood, Start Building Your Own Dream, Trove 1312, Wilder Adventures, Arkansas Off-Road Adventures, Live Today Overland Adventures, and Lone Star Rider. Oh wait, that's me. I'll have a link down below, so you guys come on out and check out the Overland of America, which I'll be looking forward to seeing you guys there. Catch y'all on the road. See you at the Overland of America in Jay, Oklahoma. Hiking and opportunities for roading. When I was on the, there's only a few left, which when I was on the, I can't even read this. Man, just dropped everything, Rex. That was nice. Just to name a few, oop, that's a little close. Just to name a few for the, I might name all of them. There's stuff there, which is, which I'll be which be at the Creator's Corral. When? September 12th and the 14th this year. I think I did that also. That'll be a wrap.